Alright, here we are, day 2, and we've made a ton of progress. So, supercharger's in, intake, lines. I don't know how well you can see this. The belt is on, and the tolerance is really amazing. Probably half an inch, maybe an inch. I can tell you that was hard to fit in there. We've got the reservoir for the intercooler. Really pleased with how we managed to adapt this to fit the oil cooler in. That's not moving at all. We did figure out that we have to modify the bumper a little. So if you look at the bumper, we kind of ground down this side so that it's going to make the space for that oil cooler. And it looks really cool when it's on there. You can see the M from the Mishimoto. So we're very close. We're chasing a couple little gremlins. We've got a little bit of a coolant leak and a little bit of an oil leak around the oil filter with the sandwich plate for the Mishimoto oil cooler. So we're gonna hunt those down. I just got the tune file to flash it, so we should hear it roar to life today. All right, well, it's midday or afternoon, day 2. It seems like we've got the water oil leak worked out, the PCV lines are hooked up, and this is it. This is the moment. All right, Tristan. What? What? Yes! Yes! Ah! Ah! It's alive! At idle, it almost sounds stock. Just a little extra rumbly sound. Runs smooth as top. Looks like it was meant to be there. See, the pulley is pretty darn close. I'll move these hoses out of the way. But there is clearance, so that's probably the tightest spot. The supercharger assembly itself was quite a trick to slip in here. Had to take this out of the way and just a lot of wiggling and holding, and wow, it was an experience, but just amazing. Still working out some kinks with the tune, but mechanically everything is doing exactly what it's supposed to, and it feels wonderful. So, all right, well, the weekend project is complete. It's Monday morning. Gonna be driving my supercharged car to work. That's pretty awesome. There's more work to do. I didn't get to the gauges. We're still working out kinks with the tune. I didn't switch the battery yet, so I'll have to work on that later. I guess more content. And then I'm already getting a lot of questions about what I did for the oil cooler, and I'll probably talk more about the oil catch can, but for right now I'm exhausted and just so relieved and so grateful that it just works. Till next time.
Feet in the air, head on the ground.
Ready? Yep. Whoa! God damn!